Hello again. We are back on the beat, and today we take a bold step into treating the English sound system. We start with the long vowels. There are 5 in number. Here we go. The sounds of English, the 5 long vowels. The first one is E. E. And it is in the words seen, been, feet, siege, receive. Next is R. R. And it's in car, class, fart, mast, and task. Still next is and you find it in words such as fern, learn, girl, worm, scourge. How many of us know the English proverb, the early bird catches the worm? That's the worm they're talking about, W-O-R-M. Next in our series of sounds, that's the long vowels, is oo. And we have that sound in words such as tool, school, rouge, goof, crude. Now, let me explain something here. The word rouge is actually taken from the French language, and it refers to the color ladies dab on their cheeks. I hear these days it is called blush, no longer rouge. Well, some of us are old school. We still think rouge. Anyway, the last sound is O. Born, ball, call, fork, bald, and talk. Now, what is important to note here is that the length of vowels in English do indeed bring about a meaning difference. African languages rarely exhibit length in their vowels. What this means is that when we meet a word such as father or farmer, we will show a tendency to pronounce each of them as father or farmer, utilizing the a we know in our languages. But the truth is that it is the long R, father, farmer. Mispronouncing them as father and farmer won't do. It's either father or farmer, not father or farmer. That's not correct English if you pronounce them that way. Look, we've got a lot of things coming up in this program that will simply blow your mind. Just hang on and stay faithful to the channel. We'll see you again. Goodbye.